So, you know, it used to be that we thought that patients who were depressed always lost weight. In fact, if you look at some of the older symptoms of depression, it was weight loss that accompanied depression. We now know that's not true. Some patients gain weight when they're depressed. And so what we know about depression is depression can help produce eating disordered behaviors, especially binge eating and bulimia, but depression can also result from eating disorders like anorexia, bulimia, or binge eating disorder. Sometimes patients feel so frustrated about body image issues and anorexia that they become depressed. Sometimes people feel so guilty about the binging behavior that they become depressed. And then the depression takes on a life of its own independent of the eating disorder. The flip side may also be true. In bulimia and binge eating, patients who are depressed may be more likely to develop the eating disordered behaviors as well. So they may coexist as cause and effect, or just two coexisting conditions at the same time.